Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you'd like to see how I achieve this bomb perm rod set, stay tuned. Okay, first off, starting with our products, I'm using Argan Eco Styler Gel, Creme of Nature curling pudding, a brush, a comb, clips, and 3 different size perm rods. First, I'm starting off by parting my hair into different sections. My hair is freshly washed, freshly stretched by way of blow drying. Okay, starting off with my section, I'm adding the curling pudding, and then I'm adding the Eco Styler Gel. And just raking it through with my fingers. Now I'm taking a perm rod set. I'm wrapping my hair on top of each other for half of the strand, and then I'm twisting in a twisting motion. And this way it makes sure the perm rod is locked and set in place without my roots being puppy. Okay, here's a close-up of me showing my twisting motion when I perm rod set my hair. Again, the last half of the hair is rolled in a twisting motion to make sure it's locked to my roots without my roots being puffy. And now I'm going to just fast forward and let you guys watch my technique. now that I'm done with the back and sides of my hair, I'm working my way to the top and front. And for my top part, I use smaller perm rods to give me a more tighter curl. My arms were definitely tired at this point, but almost to the finish line. And this is the view of my hair, all in perm rods. I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer for 2 hours, and then I'll be back to show you guys the takedown. Okay, I'm back after 2 hours and did myself up a little bit. Starting off with some Jamaican black castor oil. I'm rubbing it on my hands. And then I'm going to start to unravel the perm rods. As you unravel, look at that curl. Just make sure you take your time to prevent frizz, but it's an easy way. Just pull the perm rod set off and untwist. Okay, now that all the perm rods are out, we're going to separate them by each curl, fluff, and then pick the roots. And again, I add more oil to my hands to keep my hair from being dry, but my curls are pretty moisturized due to the products I used. Okay, here's a close-up of me separating my curls one by one. Look at that definition. Pick out, and I'm just fluffing away, picking at the roots, not picking the ends because that will disturb my curls and cause frizz, but a little frizz can't hurt you. Alright, I don't have any bangs, so I normally just pin the front part of my hair with bobby pins to create a bang look. And these are the finished results. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave them in the comment box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.